Hello there friends, welcome back to another tip on Google Chrome. Today I wanted to show you how you can read PDF files in Chrome without having to install a PDF reader, and also how you can view your images in Google Chrome without using the image viewer. To get you started, I'll show you how you can read a PDF file that you've saved on your machine, and also how you can open an image file saved on your machine. So to open a file in Google Chrome, make sure you have opened at least one tab. Then while you're on that tab, press Ctrl+O, which is a shortcut for open on your keyboard. Then navigate to where your file is saved. Then click on the file you want to open. For our case, we are opening the PDF file. So let's choose this one. And when you open it, that file will be opened in the current tab that you had opened. Then you can read through your PDF file. You can fit it to the page. Then you can rotate it like that. You can also print it. So that's how you open a PDF file in Chrome. Now, if you want to open an image file, just open another tab and then press Ctrl+O on your keyboard. Navigate to where your image file is saved. For our case, it's saved in the downloads. It's a .jpeg file. So just double click on the file and then it will open that file in this new tab. That's another tip on Google Chrome. We can use it as an image viewer. We can also use it as a PDF file reader. Stay tuned for more tutorials on this channel. Remember to subscribe and click on the bell icon. See you soon, guys.